cool. Whoa, so cool.
Oh, Grandma throwing some bread out?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of seagulls.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, seagulls. Funny.
Is that funny?
It looks
Show?
like they have lipstick on their chins
Whoa.
They do. It looks like it. You're right.
too. Just like Charlotte.
That's funny. Oh my God. So much money. So much. Oh my God. God.
Goodness.
Oh my goodness. Those seagulls are too
How many are there?
one of them.
You notice how they're different colors too?
No.
Some are little, some are big.
Yeah.
Some are brown, some are grayish. Some are white. And some more.
Seagull party.
There's a seagull party.
Yeah, seagulls. Like a seagull party where they all jump up. Oh,
That one's looking at you, Charlotte. The one on the deck over there.
who's it?
That one. He was looking at you. The one up there.
It's like a big puppet.
Did you get something?
Oh, oh my goodness. Seagull party.
That must be a girl.
It must be a
The one
girl.
that was looking at Charlotte.
Why? How can you
She has
tell?
a thin head.